Hey guys, for this video, I'll teach you how to use saved audios on Instagram. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to save audios and use them in your posts. So let's get started. Open Instagram and you will be in the feed tab. So how do you search for music? You can either look for them in posts or go to the search bar here and then type for whatever music you want. I'm just gonna type music because I don't have a specific song in mind. So just search for that and then tap on audio, and then I'm just gonna pick a random one. So now that you're here, as you can see, there's a bookmark icon. If you tap on that, it'll save it. And as you can see, it says use audio. Tap on that and you're gonna be able to use the audio. But how do you use it when you're in the process of making a video? Just go back and tap on the home screen and then swipe right. Now that you're here, tap on reel and then audio and then save it. And there you go. It's right here. Simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.